Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today we are going to discuss about how to do the tiling works in dado and flooring in bathrooms and WCs. How to do the tiling works in dado and flooring, in particularly in toilet tiling. Construction stage. What we have to do is the construction stage. We have to preparation, insulation and protection. In the construction state review of the shop drawing, in the preparation works, it should be a material management and surface preparation. Then finally comes the tools and tackle. Review of shop drawing, the layout pattern, set out at termination level, termination detail, tile spacers, corner beds, MEP service requirement. Tile layout. This is the first one which I am showing it to you. A floor layout is straight. If it is a floor layout diagonal, it should be like this. Dado layout with a border. Okay, you can see below there's a border and everything. Dado with a different orientation. So you have to prepare a detailed drawing for how to do the tiling details. Let us go to this sketch. It is 2100 by 1200. This is a set out tiles which you have to fix it out the set out tiles. Then only you can carry out further jobs. Setting out details. Again, if you are going to do a diagonal, you have to keep the set out tiles, what you call as the one tiles from where you are starting all these things calculation as we the fixed. Termination if it is to be in the diagonal. Let us say the ceiling. This is up to the ceiling. If you are going to have the tiles, it has to be fixed like this. If you are having a false ceiling above this, then you have to cut down your tiling at the false ceiling bottom level like this has been shown, which is shown in the section. Detail with adjoining finishes. Suppose there is a plaster has to be there. How do you do this? See, you can see this is a plaster area. This is a tile bedding with a mortar matting. If you want to have a tile grooves, you have to cut the grooves like this. Detail with the adjoining finishes. If they have a timber, you have to have a tiles which has been fixed on the adhesives. This is the door frames, sub frames, corner tile bed, and this is a plaster. If it is aluminium, how to do the finishing? This is a sealant where you are having, this is a mirror, this is the tiles. Okay. Detail at sill and lintel level. See, if you see this lintel, this is a lintel, this is a corner bed. How to do the corner bed? See, internally it will come like this. Okay. In the externally there won't be anything. The sill with a coping stone. If you are having a coping bedding, on the top of the coping bedding, you have to do this. This is sill with a tile. Spacer as per architectural concept. The spacers available from 2 mm to 10 mm. Wall it will be 1.5 to 2.5 and 4 mm. Corner, see, this is methodology of fixing the MEP services requirement. You can see the spaces are floor drop for wet areas, slope towards the drain, the type of the prior insulation requirement of bathtubs, wall mounted WCs. Check any other associated works. MEP services requirement. Check provisions for all electrical outlets, all drain outlets, all water supply outlets, all valves and all accessories. Material management. You have to first have the material management for doing before anything, which will consist of a material calculation for that area, material testing and storage and shifting. Material calculation. Based on the shop drawings, compute quantity, section wise and prepare a schedule. Consider wastages for material handling, theoretical wastages and maintenance and repairs. Material storage and staking. Storage should be done with a batch wise. Always tiles should be staked vertically. Prior to installation, tiles should be soaked in the water. Material testing. Check the dimension of the tiles. Check for any warpages or bends on the tiles. Check for the surface finish as per requirement, matte or a glassy finish. Check the batch number, consignment, control, shade variations. Now, prepare a review of shop drawings, preparation works, material management, surface preparation and tool tackles. Check the verticality of the plaster using the plumb bob as shown in the images. Check line of plaster using spirit level and wedges. See, you can see how it has been checked with the wedges and the spirit levels and everything. Check openings are correctly maintained for dimension. Check it out because this will be an integral part of the work. Check services outlets are correctly embedded. Here it has been shown how it has been correctly embedded or not. You have to check it out these things before start any tiling work. Check the waterproofing, its protection are well within finished floor level. See, it has to be within the finished floor level. All these things has to be properly. Tools. See, these are the tools which has been shown in this message. You can see the spirit level, web gauge, plumb bob, tape, water level, cutter, etc. Construction stage. It is required a preparation, insulation and the protection. Construction sequences. Start dado leaving first line. Start flooring. Complete first line of a dado. Construction sequences. Mark reference level of floor and dado lines, which has been done here, which has been shown clearly. Fix the first tile of the second line to exact plumb. See, here has been done. Perform step 1 and 2 for other end. Fix the level pad at top line with the bottom line. Here you can see the pad has been fixed and everything has been shown in the images. Butter the wall surface with tile adhesives. Then use notch trowel for adhesive application to form a grooves. Apply adhesives minimum 2 mm on back of the tile and press over the wall surfaces. It has been shown like this. The adhesive applied over the wall surface also, then only you have to fix the tiles. Use spirit level for finding out the straightness of the adjoining tile and the plumb. Perform the same steps to complete the dado line also. Check the alignment using straight edge. See how it has been shown here. The similar way, complete the balanced dado to its full height and other walls. See, it's one by one I had carried out the job. Sequence for flooring. Ensure level of the bedding mortar of the required slope towards the drain. The slope has to be goes to the drain. Spreading mortar evenly on floor surface. Flooring. Lay the tiles at the other end and always work on principle hole to pot. Lay the set out tiles required line and level upon which the tiles shall be tampered under cement slurry over the bed. It has been shown here how it has been done. Flooring. Pour cement mortar. Set the tile to final desired position by tapping gently. Flooring. Complete the balanced tile following the same procedures. After flooring complete, the first layer of dado shall be laid as per actual measurements. Post construction. Ensure upon completion, check for any hollow sound over install the surface. Remove the tile spacer if used. Rake the joints thoroughly and free from any excessive tile adhesive. Grout the joint using specified colored grout. Protect the floor using POP polythene sheet. ensure periodic monitoring on tiles for succeeding activities. Thank you for watching this presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or the Telegram group. The link has been provided here. This presentation courtesy is Mr. John Deshmukh. Kindly subscribe and share with your friends so that I can be motivated and give further